So I'm back with another one of these Target Best Of kits that cost $15 right now. And this is admittedly the men's one, but for the most part, most of this stuff is usable as a female. There's like one thing in here where I'm like, I'll see if I can give that one away, but other than that, the rest of the stuff is definitely usable. So this is the Grooming Survival Kit. And again, $15 with valued at over $46, which is not bad. So it comes in this nice, durable canvas bag. Good size, too. Just saying. So, what lies within? Let's find out. Part of the shape is being kept because they put in a cardboard insert. Okay, here I thought they just, like, crammed it that full, but no, 'tis a lie. Alright. No! I just banged into the pile of stuff that needs to be reviewed, and they're going sliding. One moment. I've rebuilt the precarious Jenga tower that is the to-be-reviewed pile. I really need to go in and, like, properly restack things so that they won't fall down anytime I barely, like, breathe on it. Because I dig through there, and then I kind of just shove everything back over after I've found the thing that I'm looking for, and at one point, they were neat and tidily stacked to where it was stable. At this point in time, it, has, like, no such stability. So, it's pretty much just like, don't breathe on it, don't even look at it when you're not using it. But anyway, so, back to the topic at hand here. It is a hefty bag, and that would be why, when it banged into it, like, half of the pile went, it's like, well, that's on me. So, anyway, first thing in here, what the hell is this? This is by Bravo Sierra, and it's an antibacterial body wipe. You can see why I was confused, because there's, like, almost nothing on this packaging. I mean, there's, like, the facts on the back for it, but, like, okay. I'm like, well. So there's that. Just one single wipe in it. Or I guess it's single pack, not single wipe. It feels like there's maybe more than one in there, but unsure. Hard to say, because they can sometimes be thicker wipes too, so I'm not really entirely sure how many are in there. Doesn't say on the actual thing. It just says one pack on this, so that could be either. I guess I'll find out whenever it's opened. But then, surprisingly, freaking full size, my guys. Dove Men Plus Care 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, the revitalizing eucalyptus and birch, plant-based cleansers, 100% recycled plastic bottle. I'm like, dude, holy crap. See, I don't know if this is safe for color-treated hair, so stuff like this, when I experiment with it, usually I wait till right before I'm going to touch it up anyway, so if there is a fade, it'll be fixed in about a minute anyway. So, anyways, yeah, so just saying, this alone, I'm pretty sure, like, the whole cost of the bag, like, most of the value, like, the cost of that is covered right here, because this is almost that on its own. I'm like, holy shit. Good for you. Similarly, I think this is full size too. This is the Vaseline Non-Greasy Men Extra Strength Vaseline Jelly. Heals very dry skin in 5 days. It's non-greasy body and face lotion. I don't know if it's scented or not. We believe everyone everywhere deserves healed skin. That's why we created the Vaseline Healing Project to help people living in crisis and disaster care for their skin. Here, Vaseline Jelly is a necessity. Our extra strength lotion, powered by the same extraordinary Vaseline Jelly, heals very dry skin in 5 days. Very good to have on hand, like, seriously though. So I'm just like, again, there's no reason a woman can't use that either. So, keeping that. This is the one that I may ask my uncle if he wants it. It's by a brand called Cremo. And it is, let's see here, the Palo Santo Reserve Collection 2-in-1 Beard and Face Wash. Provides a superior deep clean that won't strip natural oils. Softens feel of facial hair with premium moisturizing ingredients. Yeah, I'll ask him if he wants that since, last I checked, despite contrary to popular belief, I do not have a beard. Or as rude as certain people are when they see a single hair that needs to be plucked. But anyway. Then we have, this I'm keeping just because quality. It's the Goodfellow & Co. Where is the full title of it? Goodfellow & Co. 5-blade razor with blade guard. Again, not for my face, but for my legs. No damn reason I can't use that, so I'm keeping that. Ironically, the same brand makes men's lip balm, and I was like, that is such a needlessly gendered thing. I'm buying them. Just because morbid curiosity here. And they're like alcoholic flavors. I'm like, I like alcoholic flavors. I'm buying them. So anyway, here we have, this is quite the title on it. So, TheraBreath Fresh Breath Oral Rinse in Icy Mint. Fights bad breath for 24 hours. I'll believe that when I see it. Careful though, with xylitol. Do not leave this anywhere your pets could get to it, because xylitol will kill your pet. So, just saying, anytime I see xylitol on anything, it's like, okay, definitely keeping that away from Miss Puppy. Know where she can possibly get into it. Then we have the Head & Shoulders Classic Clean Daily Shampoo. This one's a sample size, but I mean, this is still like a good number of uses even in there, because I've gotten these little sample sizes from Target before. They last a good while. Paraben free. Is it parabens or sulfate free that makes it safe for color treated hair? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's always a nice thing to have on hand. We've got from Schmidt's the natural deodorant Sandalwood and Citrus. I believe I've had this one before. I think I've even reviewed it on this channel before and really liked it. So I'm like, oh hell yeah, cool, another one. I liked that one. So, alright, got a dupe of it now. Well, not a dupe, because I used the other one all the way up, so. And then from the brand Harry's, we have their body wash in the scent Stone. An invigorating scent of minerals and citrus. So again, no reason a woman can't use it, and I kind of like those androgynous scents. So I'm like, yeah, I'll use that. Fuck yeah. So out of everything there's only one item I'm giving away. So just saying, not bad at all. And for 15 bucks, for stuff with full freaking sizes like that. Like, come on, why do the women's sets not have like these big ass full sizes in them? Come on, we'd have liked that too. But anyways, just saying, 15 bucks, good value. Good set to get for any male loved one in your life, just saying, because, I mean, it's cheap, but look at all the stuff you get. So, anyways, that's it for this one, my dudes. So, as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below, and if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.